Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skatepark check-in across New York City. I am Vincent Basile, and like always, and BIONDO behind the lens. Episode number 50, we arrived at OCEANHILL Playground Skate Park, also known as Brownsville. Today we brought Rajan SILBERMAN. I think YATES is gonna be here today. He's a local around here. He helped out with the park. I think he's gonna be pulling up, hopefully he does. This is a brand new skate park. It's been open for just like a couple months now. I've definitely been seeing clips. People have been ripping here. I've been dying to come to this park. Brand new skate park, along with a couple others that are popping up. Check out the Gateway Skate Park, Maspeth Skate Park, Red Hook Skate Park. Check those videos out. And yeah, enough talking. Come on in. In the park. Let's go this way. We got a nice hip right here, and I'd say a takeoff point. Look at this thing. Volcano, but it's unique because it's like a kicker on that side and more of a transition with coping around 3 of the edges. You don't usually see the volcano shaped like this. A little bank section that kind of like transitions into this little quarter pipe section. If you look at that section, it's like completely straight up and down. You got stairs, out ledge connected to the quarter, and it's connected to this hubba. And then you got another hip bank section that's got this curb placed right on top. Another hip section, Euro section, and then you got a 6-stair handrail with a bank on that side. It's just jam-packed.
Yeah, they got that ledge up there too, but...
Oh yeah, let's take a look at it. But like, I could guarantee you...
Everyone sits there.
I could guarantee you...
No one's skating.
No, you can't say no one, Anthony. Because it has been skated, but no one's skating it. Wait, can you say it? I just said don't say that. What do you think, guys? Honestly, what are we doing up here? Are we skating or are we chilling? Big ass hubba. Look at it. This thing's humongous. You can take off here. This is definitely unique. You got a little bank section with a slappy curb built right on top of it. Manual pad, fun box built right out of it. And then you have flat bar, it's round, built right into it. Nice quarter pipe. On the other side, it's like a hip too. It's a lot wider over here, as you can see. This little box, manual pad, and then a perfect A-frame section. Perfect bank, bank to bank, A-frame, the rail, and then a gap on the other side. That's the whole park. You know, you're looking at it. I've showed you the park. You know what I'm about to do. You know what I'm about to say. So let's do it. Let's get these clips. Hopefully. Watch this, Ant. Watch it. You watch it. headphones on. Go on, do it. Good.
Much love, much love.
How you boys doing?
Good, good. Good shit. Good shit. I seen it. I seen it. Come on.
That was fire, bro.
Getting tech out here.
Yo, look who it is!
Gang in this bitch. Gang in this bitch.
Justin.
What up?
Now I can stop skating. You rolled up to greatness.
Yeah, Vin.
We stumbled into Wade. He definitely knows more about this park than I do. So Wade, what do you got to say about the park?
This park has a lot of history. It was just a blue strip here. Where we are now used to be a basketball court. Back in 08, we used to advocate to get a skate park anywhere in the neighborhood. By 2013, 2015, we started gaining traction, and that's how Betsy Head was built. And stemming off of Betsy Head, we're still advocating for a park over here. Being that this is my stomping grounds, we're able to get this funded. A huge battle. When we got approval with the money, I told Parks Department, hey, I advocated for years for other parks, I helped design other parks. This is my baby. I want to fully design it. And they said, we're gonna step back. This is all you. The design process was simple. Quarter pipes aren't too steep, but not too mellow. Also create lanes and pockets so that multiple people could skate at once. Try to fill out the edges so that there's continuous flow. Keep everything open so that you can see. I'm also visually impaired too, so colors matter. There's color coordination on the top of each bank. As you can see with the colors too, with the black and white on the ground, it's like creating little lanes. That way you can get about 6 people skating at once. A lot of thought process went into designing it. Super humbled to be able to like design the park that I live literally around the corner from.
So this is Ocean Hill Playground.
Ocean Hill Playground,
And
but it's
they-
also a part of Brownsville.
Brownsville.
Yeah, I'm blessed that this park is finally done. January 5th, they finally officially opened the doors.
Yeah.
It's been a couple of months and it's been amazing. And what do you guys think about the park overall?
Well, today I'm actually having a great time. Like we got here super early. There was no one here.
Yeah.
Kind of filled up a little bit, but overall this park is nice.
Appreciate your hard work and all your help.
Yeah, definitely appreciate it. And just wanted to get a couple words with Wade.
Hey, people say this is the best park in Brooklyn.
Hey.
I believe it is. I'm claiming that.
All right.
For sure.
Hey.
Hell yeah. So far.
Claiming that. Wade, appreciate the word.
Appreciate you guys. I love your videos.
Thank you.
I love what you guys do. Keep on. Rad. You're going crazy.
We gave you the ground report. Like, it's common sense. It's a brand new skate park. It's perfect. But you already. So, shout out to Rajan.
Killed it, bro.
Justin.
Killed it, bro.
Jerome. I could not have done this video without you, pointing at you, Ant, and the guys. So, yo, honestly, shout out to you guys.
Yeah, for real.
Appreciate Rad and appreciate every single one of you guys who watched the video.
Thank you for watching this video. Ocean Hill Playground, also known as Brownsville. Shout out to Wade, and thank you for advocating for the park. The park was great. It's small. We literally rode all day. Shout out to Brian, the local that was ripping here. Shout out to Bless, another local. I have it right here, bro. I'm gonna shout them both out. Shout out to Environmental Hood Restorations and Communal Soul Club. Thank you for having a rad event, teaching kids how to skate, and you guys were here all day, sharing the fun. Shout out to the viewers watching. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the world. Shout out to peace. Shout out to skateboarding. Shout out to whatever the F you want to shout out to. I gave you the same spiel all the time. I'm just gonna run through it. Follow my Instagram at @RadBoardsportCo. Check out all the merch that we have if you're interested at www.radboardsport.co. Don't forget to like, subscribe, please comment, and yeah, subscribe. Because if you haven't, like, I'm mad and I'm gonna find you guys.
It's free.
And it's free.
It don't cost you no paper unless you's a motherfucking hater.
I know you watch the content.
Yo, that HBO special. Help a brother out.
Most importantly, more than anything, don't forget to ride all day.
Follow me on YouTube at Romy the Kid. It's actually Romy the Kid on everything, but I'm really on the tubular, so Romy the Kid, you heard? Appreciate y'all.
You guys can follow me at Trademark 2200 so you guys can see. Got tons of videos and I'll teach you guys how to skate. Peace.